Introducing Magne Shade Marine, the all-magnetic patented sunshade solution that you've been looking for. The Magne Shade system works by strategically locating magnets around the perimeter of the shade, which directly correspond with magnets on the glass.
What that means for you is no twist locks, no snaps, and no drilling holes into your vessel, which makes for an easy installation.
Another exclusive benefit of the patented Magne Shade system is the fact that you can adjust any slack out of the shade. The magnet located in the shade will always stay paired with the magnet on the glass, but because of the way that we incorporate the magnet into the shade itself, you can always pull it and get a nice and tight fit.
Here at Magne Shade, we offer a variety of different fabric options.
This means not only do we have exterior sunshades that are magnetic, we have interior shades, interior privacy shades. We have nano shades for the aft doors and side windows, and we also have luxurious floor mats. Everything that we do at Magne Shade Marine is completely custom and year, make, and model specific.
We proudly manufacture all of our products here in the USA.
At Magne Shade, we take great pride in delivering the best possible products to our customers and backing it by 5-star customer service. Visit magneshademarine.com and one of our sales reps will be happy to reach out to you shortly.